Welcome to Turbo Car Care, where every detail matters. Meet Prasanna, our business development manager at Turbo Car Care. He ensures every customer receives a warm welcome and a smooth service experience. At Turbo Car Care, Aravind, our managing director, takes the time to understand your vehicle's unique needs, offering personalized solutions that align perfectly with your expectations and budget. Kiran, our service quality specialist and operations manager, ensures your car gets the top-notch care it deserves. With over 15 years of experience, Pasha handles the dismantling process with unmatched expertise. Akhtar, our PPF head applicator, along with his skilled team, prepares your car for premium paint protection. Our finishing touches ensure your car shines like new, with advanced coatings for every detail. Turbo Car Care. Excellence in every detail.